Dave. Welcome to our Edit Suite.
Hi, Jim.
Well, good to have you with us. Our special report on the GAF Materials Corporation as an American industrial leader is almost complete, but I need you to clarify some items for me. For instance, in my entire news career, I have never encountered anyone who wanted us to look at their company and ask the question, who is GAF? Isn't a corporation usually referred to as a what?
Jim, we think of the company in terms of its greatest resource. It's people. Mm-hmm. And people aren't a what.
I understand now. The emphasis is on GAF's people and not the technology. Our crew has collected some great shots of your people at work. The simple answer I found to the question, who is GAF, is this. GAF is a team of very good people developing and delivering high-quality products and services that protect the properties of millions of people every day. Right now, you are one of the bright spots in the economy. Well, how do you account for this performance?
The core business at GAF is building materials with a primary focus on roofing. The majority of the roofing industry sales are for repair, maintenance, and replacement, not new construction. So our revenues don't go through the wild economic swings experienced by most other building products companies.
Our research reveals that the sad reality of the roofing industry is that it has earned a bad reputation. Let's look at some of the roofing industry estimated data. The top 5 complaint areas to the Better Business Bureau involve roofing. 80% of contractors are out of business within 2.5 years of installing a roof, prior to when many problems surface. 95% of residential roof systems have inadequate ventilation, which means excess energy bills. In commercial properties, roofing is less than 4% of the construction cost, but well over half of the litigation.
Further, the industry historically has been price-driven.
Many roofers sell the lowest cost, inferior product at the lowest price because they falsely believe that's what the customer wants. Well, the reality is, when the customer is educated by the contractor about the better roof systems, property owners want the superior aesthetics and protection.
Property owners often get roof systems that fail because they are the wrong type, inadequately designed, incorrectly installed with inferior materials, and with misleading warranties. But from what I have seen of GAF, it's leading the fight to upgrade the industry and give it a more respected, professional status.
You know, Jim, GAF has worked hard to provide superior value, and the market is rewarding us by making GAF North America's largest roofing manufacturer. We know people have choices in this industry, and we want to be their number one choice. Every member of the GAF team knows and must understand that our promise is to our customers and to strive to help supportive contractors and distributors build their business and avoid hassle, and to help supportive property owners and specifiers achieve their best and safest roofing system and installation choice. Now, if we do that well, we'll sell more than our fair share of roofing products. Every member of the GAF team directly or indirectly affects these promises, and therefore is part of the strategy of the company.
How does GAF keep these promises?
We consider ourselves a learning organization that roars. Roar is being reliable, focusing on what our customers need and providing products, services, and timely response that they can count on. Organized, focusing on efficiency and effectiveness and always improving. Appreciative, focusing on enhancing trust with both employees and customers. Results-oriented, scorecards that measure our progress with investors, employees, and customers.
Well, that's the big picture, but we looked at the specifics of how you implement this concept. We found that GAF takes the team concept seriously. You're very selective in bringing the best people onto your team. I was impressed that there is no GAF commitment more important than providing an accident-free workplace. Manufacturing is where over 80% of the GAF team contributes, and they're like family, and they care.
Jim, for me and the entire team, safety is job one. The results prove it. GAF has a safety program that leads the roofing industry and is a beacon for other industrial manufacturing companies throughout the United States. Are we satisfied? No. There's always improvement to strive for until zero accidents in the workplace are achieved.
I understand, but how do you keep your employees motivated?
GAF's commitment to develop people is our most important investment in the future. We've run hundreds of employee training programs in facilities around the country, thousands of individual classes at colleges and universities. Seminars and industry associations are company-sponsored. In addition to customary benefits like health, dental, prescription medicines, and 401k plan, GAF goes beyond what you might expect. For example, GAF helps employees advance within the company with leadership development program initiatives and even an online career management program.
People development is not a priority just for employees. CARE, the Center for the Advancement of Roofing Excellence, is an investment in educating contractors, distributors, specifiers, and property owners each year too.
All of the successful companies that we have investigated understand innovation is the lifeblood of their business. I was impressed that GAF has averaged over 50 launches of new products and services each year for the last several years. My question is, what does it take to launch a new product?
Jim, thousands of hours of blood, sweat, and tears. It starts with the property owner to ensure that GAF products and services provide unique performance combinations and aesthetics. New product initiatives also study the contractor's needs, including application techniques and system design to help reduce time and eliminate hassles. The new product initiatives then move into the laboratories with top research scientists and engineers within GAF and with strategic alliance partners with complementary technologies to help assure the most advanced roofing systems in the world, tested, strained, battered, and pitted against the competition. With a heritage of over 100 years and with warranty responsibilities extending up to 50 years, GAF knows it has to be more careful than others. Our comprehensive testing includes the most widely respected standards, such as Underwriters Laboratories, Factory Mutual, Dade County standards, and many more.
Isn't that costly?
These are significant investments, but it's necessary to provide property owners with the quality they can trust. We have backed these efforts with capital spending well in excess of $40 million per year for several years. In some years, it's exceeded $100 million.
What other factors contribute to your success?
The GAF team understands that it's a privilege to receive an order from a customer. The supply chain management team understands customers demand to have what they want, when they want it, and how they want it.
But who actually makes the sales, and how do you keep them on top of their game?
Jim, our sales team are champions of what they do. There are multiple reasons why our sales team is at a competitive advantage. We can boil it down to 5 reasons. First, many property owners have needs for both flat and steep slope roofs, but no other national manufacturer provides comprehensive options for both. Most roofing manufacturers have a vested interest in a specific membrane technology, and GAF provides a system solution in maintenance, repair, restoration, and almost every major replacement and new construction roof technology. So as a result, the GAF sales team only has a vested interest in understanding the unique requirements of each specific roof situation and the property owner's investment considerations, and therefore can help suggest the technology options that best achieve those needs. Now, with this core competency in a variety of technologies, GAF uniquely can mix and match technology combinations to obtain the best of both properties and characteristics, customized to specific property owner needs.
That's the first reason. What's the second?
Well, Jim, our sales team knows they're representing quality products. GAF has built a reputation for quality that property owners can trust. Quality is built in before the product goes out the door. GAF manufacturing facilities are notorious for statistical process controls, standardized operating procedures, and on-site quality control research laboratories. This includes ironclad specifications to assure quality compliance of raw materials before they arrive at GAF plants, computerized systems, world-class state-of-the-art equipment for processing and fabrication, and then quality assurance inspections prior to staging in the distribution centers.
And the third reason?
Well, third, most roofing manufacturers use salespeople to inspect roofs, if they do inspections at all. Our salespeople are backed by the largest team of independent professional roof inspectors in the industry. That's all they do. In the rare event there are issues, GAF can be significantly more responsible for client needs.
I understand that. What's the fourth reason?
Jim, fourth, our sales team is confident that the company stands behind the sale with the most comprehensive roof warranties and guarantees in North America, resulting in the greatest value and peace of mind for property owners. And fifth, our salespeople are backed up by the GAF support team that are becoming the best in the industry. If there is a question about orders or specification requirements, the answer is only a phone call away.
Another trait we've noticed with winners is that they concentrate on what they do best. Most of your competitors worry about more things than roofing: siding, windows, tires, insulation, other distractions. GAF is focused on roofing. That's what you do, and you do it best. Everywhere we went, I just watched and listened to your employees, observed their dedication and passion, looked at the way they work together, and we saw employee feedback surveys that confirmed the enthusiasm. Their commitment to achieving world-class performance is evident. GAF productivity records are reaching world-class highs and still increasing. Revenue is setting new records. Employees are staying with the company and being promoted internally at record rates. In fact, over 25% of new employees are referrals from employees who already work for GAF. Quality defects are at record lows and still dropping. But it was also clear to me that the team at GAF is never satisfied.
The culture at GAF is not for everybody. It's great for us. We insist that people get involved, take responsibility, stay focused, be entrepreneurial, work lean, be disciplined, keep improving, have fun, work hard, work smart.
Now I know the answer to the question, who is GAF? Very good people, developing and delivering quality products and services that provide real value to millions of people every day.
Dave and I are glad that your investigation confirmed what we believe. The GAF team has a proud past, a solid foundation, and an exhilarating future.
Dave, Bill, glad you could be here with us today. You know, as a reporter, I've investigated lots of stories. With this GAF investigation, I've certainly found a team of people who are committed to serving their customers with processes and with capabilities beyond what I would have expected. My guess is that the GAF team striving for excellence goes well beyond what you expected too. So thanks for your help. We're going to have a great show, and I'm sure that others are going to learn from your leadership. Good to see you again.
Thanks, Joe.
Okay,
Thanks,
take care,
Jim.
Bill.